To use voice input in S24 Ultra, in the keyboard, there should be this icon here. Long press the icon and then select voice input. Now sometimes this icon just doesn't show up. So if I turn off this button entirely, if you don't see this button, you're going to need to open your settings. And starting from the home page of settings, just scroll down until you see general management. And in the general management, we should see keyboard list and default. And then keyboard button on navigation bar, tap to turn this on. Also, if the voice input you want isn't available, tap on default keyboard. Make sure this is Samsung keyboard and then open your settings for Samsung keyboard. And if you scroll down until you see voice input, we can choose the voice input we want. Just make sure this is not set to none. Then we have the mic button. So to switch again, just tap the mic and you can see what you're saying is being said, and hope this helps.